In this video, we'll be looking into how to change color modes in Affinity. So in order to change a color mode in Affinity, all we can do is go to Document and then go to Setup. In the Setup, you can navigate to Document Setup. Here, you'll see the same panel of Document Setup, which we will see when we create a new document in Affinity. So at the bottom, you can see the color space here, where there is an attribute called color format. Here we can change the color modes to RGB 16, RGB 32, gray, CMYK or lab. Normally for print we use CMYK and for screen we use RGB. So right now I will change the color mode to CMYK. And you can see that it is automatically setting up the color profile as well. So we can also adjust the color profile. Currently it is set up to US wave code. However, we can change the color profile like coated, foreground and others. But I'll keep to US wave coded for now as it is. So after changing the color format or color mode, I'll click on OK. And in this way, we can change the color mode in Affinity. In addition to that, we can also access the document setup by simply clicking on document setup button here. But in order to make or to see this button as visible, the move button or move tool should be active. And then in contextual taskbar, we can click on document setup, and then the same document setup box appears, and we can now again change the color format to RGB 8, and then again click on OK to apply those color change settings. So this is how we can change the color mode in Affinity. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, press the like button. And if you want to know more tips and tricks about Affinity in the future, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching the video again. See you on the next video.